www.v-league.ph, and of course, like us on Facebook, Shakey's V-League, and you will see the latest updates, the lineups of the teams, the schedules of the games, and all the other things you want to know about your favorite players here in the Shakey's V-League. Ito na, Sandugo trying to pull away. They're in top by 3, 17-14. Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Punch from Alisa. Roses able to squeeze that in.
The set seemed a bit low for her, ano? Buti nagawa ng paraan.
Paraan.
Yun din naman yung importante. If you're the attacker, kung di gaanong, if the set doesn't suit you as much as possible, gawan mo ng paraan to keep the ball alive.
Ooh, over the block from Alisa. Nene Bautista delivering the goods. Ito na, lumayo na. Ito yung sinasabi natin. Once Sandugo gets their act together, it's so hard to stop. Jing at the serve.
Oh, that one is clearly on its way out.
That's right. She held back a bit because she, on her first round at the serve, she went for the jump. Ngayon, she went for the floater.
Iba yung feel.
Alisa serving. Nene. Phil is right there. Phil gets blocked. Suzanne keeping it alive. Ruby was there to set it up.
Oh, look at that! Excellent blocking from Ateneo.
Tajima would be really a force to reckon with. Ayan. Oh, that was even Jem Ferrer.
Jem Ferrer. Hindi nyo nang importante rin yan. Ano? Jem Ferrer is not one of the tallest. Pero kita natin doon sa slow-mo yung ginawa niya. Sinalo niya yung bola.
Ooh, poor reception. Ooh, solid.
Oh, Jem Ferrer! Once again! Sabi niya, wag niyo akong i-underestimate. I can block. And that's exactly what we've seen in the last 2 points.
Ano man sinabi niya? Move over, Tajima. Kaya ko na to.
I will do it. Nasa gitna yan. She was actually in the middle.
Move over, Tajima. Kaya ko na to.
Ako na center blocker.
Oh, Alisa. Sayang. With that service error, parang nabaliwala yung point ni Ferrer. 20-17. Lamang pa rin po ng tatlo ang Sandugo, San Sebastian. Oh! Ruby De Leon with an error in the serve. 20-18. 2 points ang lamang ng Sandugo, San Sebastian. Jem with a serve. Excellent serve.
Oh, and the blocking is working for Ateneo.
Hervasio will set it up for Phil. Kept alive by Alisa. Now it's a free ball. High ball from Jem. Nice. Oh, from Uy, sayang.
Oh, miscommunication. Finally, Phil gets the ball through.
And Ateneo capitalizing on that error of Ruby De Leon. Walang pumasok dun sa sinet niya. Phil, finally, you're right, Anna, no? I think that's the first point for Phil.
Again, yung timing niya timing ni Ruby with her attacker still a bit off.
Nice dig coming from Zhang. Phil, nice defense by
Set was too low. Set was too low for Jeng, and she was coming from the back.
That was asking too much from Jeng.
Asking too much. The set was too low. Now Ruby is, I guess, being challenged, you know, in delivering good plays.
Suzanne gets dug up by Alisa. This time Benito gets it through the block. 21-20. A very tight first set we're seeing from these two teams. So Zane. Ganda.
With the help of the net. But the point nonetheless.
Yes.
And ito maganda
Lihis.
sa ginagalaw ng Ateneo ngayon. Hindi talaga nila pinapalayo ang Sandugo.
Tajima, good serve. Kept alive by Alisa.
A check. There is a check.
And Jane Bully working hard even on the defensive end. Sa floor defense, she's been diving all over the place.
And we've seen Jane naman play, diba? Even with the San Sebastian squad when they were carrying that team, talagang front and back.
Yeah.
You will see her work.
Ayan na, kay Jang ulit. Jill, oh, nice save from Gustillo.
Oh, excellent play. No blockers there for Sandugo, San Sebastian. Good call made by Jem Ferrer.
And good approach by Hervasio.
Oo, ang ganda ng timing dun sa play na yun.
We're tied at 22. Sure serve from Phil. Grabe. Kasamang bahay.
Kasama Thailand.
Bahay ng Thailand. Isinama yung
Hindi
Thailand.
lang bahay.
Oh, wow. Napatapon yung blockers eh. Si
Of
Hervasio
course.
napano eh. Good serve.
Excellent reception by Lazaro.
No, not over.
So far, so good for the Ateneo squad. This is a good first set for them, I would say, because a lot of people would have probably expected that Sandugo, San Sebastian would have an easy time,
That's
but
right.
no, they're not. Ateneo is giving them a challenge.
Nice dig from Phil. Oh! Naiset pa ni Jem pero hindi pinalo ni Alisa.
Almost there, Lazaro. Split second late.
Timeout by Coach Parley Tupaz of the Ateneo. Let's listen in.
Hindi mo na maayos dito.
When you receive, stay kayo.
Ha?
Tayo receive, tayo pa paano?
Isa lang yan ha?
Then silip block. Then natin dito, hindi ka daw silip block.
FEU Makati, the newest campus of Far Eastern University, is now accepting enrollees in the following degree programs: Accountancy, Accounting Technology, Information Technology, and Business Administration. For more info, call 836-2002 or visit www.feu.edu.ph. To Taiwan with a serve. It's now set point for Sandugo. Oh, Alisa! Saving one set point, and we are tied at 24 apiece. Grabe. First set pa lang, extension agad.
And the things sinasabi natin, of course, as the games progress, we see talaga what the teams can bring. And ito nga, nakikita natin, Ateneo hanging on to dear life.
Now it is the turn of Coach Roger Goreyev to call the timeout.
Para pagbalik dito, ma-receive man nila, makakablock tayo. Ang dami na, napabayaan natin eh. Hayaan natin yung play sa isang pero, nagagano, bumalik na lang tayo. Okay, receive nyo lang maayos, dalawa yung malakas yung spike sa una.
And right now, the tables have turned. It is Ateneo at set point here in the opening set. And it is Gretchen Ho serving for the Ateneo. Oh, that's good. That is inside. Benito's right there. Grabe.
Cheng, not letting go of the first set. Of course, ang gusto mo dito, makauna ng isang set. But you know, looking at Ateneo now, I mean, it's an impressive performance here in the first set. Talagang keeping at pace. Hindi lang yon, talagang sinasabayan itong Sandugo San Sebastian.
And 26-25. And it is Coach Party Tupas calling his final timeout. Let's listen in.
Spiker pa naman tayo, nandun pa naman si Baldo. Kung maganda game, tulak mo nung kay Baldo. Coverage na lang. Ha?
Isa tayo.
Pinasok yung block mo. Ang Baldo, napapasok mo.
Okay, let's see what play Coach Party Tupas has set up, but it is Jambuli, Bautista, Roses, De Leon, the frontliners for the Sandugo San Sebastian team. Oh!
With the help of the net.
And Coach Parley must be feeling so bad after calling that timeout.
Hindi na break yung momentum eh. That was the intention. You know, to break the momentum as we take a look at our Shakey's shake and play. That service ace from Jeng Boli.
Look at that. Jeng Boli winning or getting that winning point of the set. We'll be right back with the second set after this break.